Hello, and good morning, everyone. Dr. Z here. It has been brought to my attention we've been getting complaints of a disturbance in the area of an angelic-like sound. So, I had some people describe to me of a circus in the area. People strike the workers there as odd as well. So I sent researcher S down to check it out. He had located the circus, set up camp, and he waited till night. And so he had talked with some of the workers, and he described them as a ringmaster with two heads, and he saw one of the performers as circus balls with trumpets. 3 to be exact. And so he waited till night, and he had recorded the strange noise that has been disturbing people around that area. And there was nobody in sight, but I'll play the recording now.